Hi everyone, this is Cecille Rodrigues and I have been residing in Taligaon for the last 10 years now. And there has been this guy, Estonio Almeida, who for the last 7 years has been harassing me on social media. Till on the 23rd of June when he reposted a WhatsApp message to me saying that, hi baby, hi honey. I mean, when you don't know someone, this is not how you address and you respect women, all right? So I screenshot his WhatsApp messages, I screenshot his picture and I put it on social media, that's Facebook. And you won't believe it, to my good luck, so many women have come forward telling us that this guy has harassed me too. I mean, if we allow this kind of a guy to let loose in our Taligaon city or in our Goa, I mean, are we women safe? I request, ask the CM of Goa, I request the MLA of Taligaon, I request even the Panjim MLA, Mr. Montserrat and his family to please look into this case and to give, to just report this guy to the police station. He's not safe for our women. He's not safe for any of us here, especially on social media. And you won't believe it. Facebook removes my post on social media stating that this content is not proper. Is Facebook being paid to remove my post? So 200 women have come forward explaining to what they are facing through. And all the women in Goa, please do not encourage men who say hi sexy, hi honey on any social media, whether it's a messenger, it's Instagram or through WhatsApp messages. I'm telling you, they are just here to get into your pants. Please be careful, women, because this guy, Estonia Almeida, has not spared a young girl who's around 13 years old, has not spared a youth, a mother, a wife, even after husbands messaging and saying that, dude, why are you messaging my wife like this? He's like, oh, sorry, dude, I didn't know she was married. Such a casual thing towards us women. We women should be respected. We are here because, and I'm here especially to fight for my right and to fight for all the women who he has troubled. So requesting all you women, because I just met the PI of the Women's Cell Police Station and she's here to help us. She has said to email to womenhelp.goapolice@nic.in. This is the email address. So if anytime you are in trouble, this is the email address that you can email to the Women's Cell. And to all the women who Estonio Almeida has trouble, please email them. I will put this link on my Facebook page, and please email and let's take this guy to task. I request all the MLAs of Goa and everyone, and especially the lawyers, if any lawyer is going to be supporting him, remember, you have come from a woman's womb, and if you have a mother, you have a sister, you have a wife, or you have a daughter, please don't take up his case, because this is a fight not only for me but for all the women in Goa who he has harassed and who he will harass in future. Please, let's fight this. This is not my fight, it's our fight here in Goa and for the women of India.